Something I would probably like to do in the future, I would definitely like to set up a meditation center. If anyone has any advice on how to do that, how to get funding for that, be great. What I'd like to do is do this as a community. So I realized that this channel that we have here, this process meditation practice approach, is fairly new in the sense that, in the way it is understood now. But I would certainly be interested in doing that. And the idea would be to do this as a community, and is therefore each one is self-responsible and responsible for the space, for that. I'd be very interested in hiring a space initially to begin with, and perhaps at some point when we build community, we build that relationship, we could even host at each other's spaces, homes. And so it doesn't have to be so, people can bring food and share in meditation, and we can really just create a community of volunteers who are really trying to enrich and develop and refine the human condition. So if you're a counselor, if you're a psychologist, if you're a meditator, if you're a philosopher, if you're a thinker, a contemplator, if you're someone who is interested in all these things, if you're someone who's interested fundamentally in peace, then I invite you to consider co-working, and let's try to create a volunteer space, a community where we can actually achieve this. And if anyone's watching this where they think that they can support or help with that, please get in touch. Or if they have some experience with that, please get in touch. Because it'd be good to start something, to establish a couple of meditation centers or community spaces where we volunteer, we learn how to facilitate, we learn the process of this approach, and we share tools that objectively produce synchronization in the heart and brain and coherence. And we begin a kind of grassroots effort to introduce and teach about that. And so the great thing about that is that each person will have something to contribute about that. We're not looking for any one person to be a one-stop shop of knowledge. It's a community, it's of volunteers who are looking to do this and develop compassionately with one another. So peace is very possible if we can do this together. Wishing you all well, peace on the journey, and we'll see how this develops.